Hi guys, in today's video I have such an informative and amazing secret I'm about to share with you, and it's guaranteed to get you long, thick, natural, beautiful hair that is healthy. Also, for a ton more of my DIY home remedy videos, make sure you check my links below and go to my website for a $10 ebook with secrets I don't share on my YouTube channel and a chance to book live one-on-one sessions with me and free secrets plus blog posts. Alright guys, let's get started. I'm so excited. This is going to change your hair and your health. So first I want to shout out my friend Victoria. Her YouTube channel is Victoria. I'll link it down below. She's the one who actually started trying this and really researched it and had amazing results. And when I saw what it did for her, I was like, okay, I have to try it. And here I am. I'm so excited to share with you guys. And I'll link her video on it down below too. Now, this is not a sponsored video at all. This is just something that I tried out, but I want to make sure I give you guys the proper steps. So make sure you watch till the end, and you guys are going to learn so much about health and your body and why sometimes it's hard for your hair to grow. So the one thing you need to know is there's a drink called kefir, and there's all types of brands. You can get it at any grocery store, and I literally finished the whole bottle within a week, but you can't just drink it fast. There's a rhyme and a reason to do it the healthy way. So kefir is a natural yogurt milk type drink that has a lot of probiotics. Now, probiotics are so important for your body, and pretty much what they do are go into your body, mainly your gut, and attack the harmful things that fester there, such as pathogens. And pathogens is what really disrupts our body and makes it hard to absorb nutrients that we need, no matter how much of them you're eating. Now, kefir is something that not only is packed with probiotics, but it also has a lot of natural biotin, which helps hair growth and hair health, as well as so many other vitamins and minerals. It is really like drinking a supplement, but since it's natural, there is a way that you should incorporate it into your diet, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I incorporate it into mine right now. Real quick, for those watching right now, comment 2-minute mark down below so I can personally show you love in my comment section. Now, I did a lot of research on how I should start incorporating this into my diet for the best possible outcome and benefits, and I asked my friend Victoria about it too. We each have different ways of doing it, but what worked the best for me is first, I do it in the morning, and I always drink a cup of water before I drink it, and I've been drinking pH balanced water. It's amazing, it's alkaline, and it's worth the more expensive cost. Then I prepare my glass of kefir. Some people call it kefir, but my nana has always called it kefir, so that's just what I call it. So I'm going to pour about 100 milliliters. It says to start with 100 milliliters every single day, and then you can work your way up after a week to like 300 milliliters. So whatever works best for your body, you're going to notice right away. And even my friend Victoria said as soon as you drink it, you're going to start to notice a shift because it's going to start attacking the bad things in your body. So at first it might feel weird, but the more you stick to it, the better it should be. Also advise a doctor in case you have any milk allergies or things like that. But this worked so amazing for me. I cannot wait to see your guys' results and experiences. So make sure you subscribe, turn on my notifications, comment down below what you want to see next, or show me love. I love you, and I'll see you soon. Also, I'm going to list down below a bunch of books that I read on this topic, so I hope it helps you guys. Mwah.